Welcome to our third example on visual thinking at work. This one, what I did is I started with a basic grid. Remember, that's one of our layouts. And in the middle of the grid, I have a drawing of a person with a marker. And this is about visual facilitators or graphic facilitators. And this is really from a conversation I facilitated in the advanced visual facilitation training program. And I talked about mindset, I talked about development, connection, and business. So we brought in 4 categories that we wanted to brainstorm live. And then using our Post-its, I started to capture the elements and add a tiny little icon along the way. So in business, the questions that people wanted answered in the visual facilitation training program was pricing. They wanted to understand how to find clients. They wanted to understand how to make videos, how to do contracting, how to create a visual library. They also wanted to have it feel like it was a meetup, it was a network, it was a partnership. And that's why it's an ongoing community, which you'll find out more whenever we launch that program. But then it was also about personal development. They wanted to feel like a retreat. They wanted it to have courses. They wanted it to feel like a mastermind. They wanted there to be coaching where they could come in and bring their examples and get real-time coaching from me as well as their peers. And then they also wanted to really understand the servant's heart and bravery that work hand in hand as a visual facilitator. So I facilitated this conversation as a way to develop the course that comes right after this one. It was such a powerful way to open up the space for that conversation to happen, and it made the end product even better, even stronger, because we all had our own inputs into creating the outline that became that master program. So this is a little example of how using even just a simple grid and some Post-its, how we were able to harvest a really valuable conversation that turned into an entire online program.